Today we're working on a Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to show you how to get the front doors off. I'm just going to show you on this because it's the same thing on that side, but I'm going to use a bone right here, flat bone, snap-on pick, and snap on with the screwdriver tip. So I like to start right here. I like to pop this plastic shell off first. You want to be careful using this, you don't nick the paint. I like to just get it in there. Kind of use my hands too. Pops off very easy. Right here there's two screws I like to get out. That way I have a lot more room to access the tint. Right here there's a shell. You can see right here in the handle. This does pop off. Just get the pick, get in there. Comes right out. Fairly easy. So there's one screw right there and there's another one in this little slot. I like to pull it down from the top because that's just how it goes. Pull it out. There is a little tab on there. You want to be careful not to break that. But at that point we're just going to start unscrewing. Get this out. Now this screw is a lot thicker than the door screw, and it is a different color, so that's how you know which goes where. Get this one out. That's the door screw. Just put them somewhere where you don't lose them. And the same thing, I like to just pop in here, pop it out. Doesn't matter the direction, but I do like to go left to right. Come on this side so they can see. I'm gonna get over here. We get this under this plastic piece. We'll start over here. Get like that. Should pop out very easy. Shouldn't have to use any force. Just pop it out. So come on this side if you guys want some more relief. Pop it right here. So now you got all this room to work with and take out the gasket so you're not forcing anything. And the gasket just comes out like that. You want to be careful with these tabs not to nick anything. So there you go. There you have it.